Hello friends, welcome to Docker Essential video series. In this video, we will do Docker networking lab session on managing network. To get better understanding of wide range of technologies in a simple manner, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So similar to volume, network is also one of the Docker entities, and for that Docker has given the support of a CLI. So you can use CLI to manage the Docker networks. So the first command that we're going to see is that will list all the networks present inside the Docker, which is Docker network ls. So by default, these are the three network which is created. Okay. Now let's create our own network. So to create our own network, we have to use this command. -d specifies the driver, network driver. So this time we want to create a network of type bridge driver, and the name of the network is my net1. We can verify using a Docker network ls. You will see my net is created with a driver default, which is bridge. And similar to that, we can also create another network, okay, and with a different name. So you will see that two networks which is created. But the thing to be considered here is, in this second command, we are not specifying the driver, but then also it creates a network of type bridge. So that is when you didn't specify the driver in network create command, Docker by default create a bridge network for you. Okay. Now the last thing is how to delete the created networks. So for that, there is a command called Docker network rm and the name of the network. So it is mynet1, mynet2. Okay, so that we can verify. So all the created networks are deleted. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on the video.